The Blackwire 8225 is a premium corded USB headset designed to keep distracting noise out and you focused. The Blackwire 8225 employs acoustic fence technology, which uses two separate microphones to identify and differentiate your voice from background noise. Included in the box with the Blackwire 8225 headset will be the travel case and user guide. When you put the headset on, the cushions should sit comfortably over the center of your ears. This headset can be worn on the left or right side. Rotate the boom to align with your mouth. Lengthen or shorten the band until it fits comfortably. Gently bend the boom in or out so it is approximately 2 finger widths from the corner of your mouth. Next, plug the USB cable into your computer. Then download Poly Hub for Windows or Mac by visiting poly.com/software. This allows you to customize your device through advanced settings and options. To make a call, dial out using your soft phone. To answer a call, use your soft phone or the convenient inline control by pressing the call button once to answer. To adjust the volume or mute the call, use the inline control buttons. To adjust the level of active noise canceling, move the ANC switch between off, mid, and high to provide just the right level of background noise reduction for your current surroundings. You're now ready to enjoy your Blackwire 8225 headset. For more information, visit poly.com.